Hey everyone, this is Tom from the Green Dot Group. Just wanted to talk real quick about the team formation process and what will occur along that process as the team goes from early stages, forming, through to the mature stages of performing. So as the team comes together, whether it is to solve a problem or in the form of team meetings, a natural byproduct of that team working together is going to be conflict. It's important as a facilitator to understand that ignoring conflict can be detrimental to the team's maturation and also its success. Instead of ignoring conflict or trying to squelch conflict, you as the facilitator need to direct it in a way that the conflict becomes creative, helping the team have very valuable dialogue around differing opinions so that they're able to identify commonality and start to bond together as a cohesive group. In order to facilitate that maturation, you as the facilitator will apply situational leadership to help the team mature across this life cycle. In the early stages, during the forming stage, you as the facilitator or the convener of the meeting will play more of a directing role. At this stage of team formation, you're being very specific about your expectations and more way just telling the team what to do, helping them to start to work together. As the team then gets through that early phase, they'll move into the storming phase. This is the peak of the conflict. Your role as the facilitator is to help coach the team through that conflict, facilitating communication, helping to surface any issues, and really helping the team look for the win-win. After they've completed the storming phase, things will start to normalize. At this point, your role is to support the team and really help them fine-tune how they work together as a group. The more comfortable the team becomes in working together, they'll move to the next phase of performing. At this point, your role is to delegate to the team. At the performing phase, the team is able to act autonomously and oftentimes is very much so self-directed. Depending on the type of team you have, there may be a final phase of adjourning. This phase occurs after the project has been completed and the team is no longer necessary. At this point, you're focusing on celebrating the team's success, collecting lessons learned, and providing rewards and recognition. Some tactics to help you in managing conflict that occurs across the team formation process are as follows. Some of the things you really want to focus on is keeping it about process. In keeping it about process, you're focusing on the workflows, the tasks and the activities, or the source of the problem. You're not blaming individuals for the problem that might exist. You're more so studying the process that surrounds that problem and trying to improve it accordingly. Other tactics include looking for the win-win, helping to throttle the rate of change, and establishing ground rules that allow the team to collaborate well together. If these things do not work, the last resource is to intervene through the use of someone of authority, possibly consulting the project sponsor, the process owner, or even the project champion.